Then we are continuing pipeline and pipeline transport, that is the another one. Road means land transportation. Pipeline transport network is a new arrival on the transportation map of India. In olden days we are not taking care. Nowadays we are having like the transportation and 3-4 major pipelines we can see. In the past, these were used to transport water to the cities and the industrial area in olden days, but nowadays for the not only for this water purpose, for other purpose also we are using the pipelines. Now these are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products and the natural gas from oil and natural gas field to refineries, fertilizer factories and the big thermal power plants. Means the liquid form we can pass through the pipeline. So we can see that things what we are transporting, that is the crude oil, then petroleum. Please underline that important things, otherwise you may forget some points. So then the natural gas, all these things we are taking from where we are taking bringing that one from oil and natural gas field to refineries, from where we are mining it from there to refineries, or from the refineries to the other areas like the fertilizer factories or big thermal plants. Then solid can be transported through the pipelines when converted into slurry. The solid thing, if you want to send the solid thing, for example iron or aluminium, like that things what we want to make into slurry. And the far inland locations of the refineries like Barauni, then Mathura, Panipat and gas-based fertilizer plants could be through the thought of the only because of the pipeline. They are thinking because it is safer mode when we are taking these things through the train or any other things. It is costly. So nowadays they are thinking about the pipeline transport, especially in the inland area. And the initial cost of the laying pipelines is very high, but subsequent running costs are minimal. That will be said if it is taking through a train or a truck like that, we want to spend much money on these fuels. And here we can see in the we are sending these things without the help of any fuels. According to that only we are constructing the pipelines. That construction cost is very high. Then it rules out the ship losses or delay. We won't get any delay, or in between we are getting the other damages and other things, it won't happen like that. And there are 3 important network of pipeline transportation in the country. 3, and in waterways it is coming 5, like that NH waterways, NH1, NH2, like that. So these things you want to keep in mind, number and name of that one. In pipelines 3. First one, it is from oil field of the Upper Assam to Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. It is from the oil field and it is coming to means we can say the industrial area via Guwahati and Barauni and Allahabad, and it has branches from the Barauni to Haldia and via Rajband to Maurigram and Guwahati to Siliguri. Means the major line it is from the Assam to Kanpur, and in between we can see the some of the branches it is going, and Barauni to we can see that one it is going to Calcutta area, then it is going to Maurigram, again it is Siliguri, like that small branches we can see. When we are making the major railway, we can see the small turns to this maybe another one's major area, like that some branches also having. Second one, it is from Salaya in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab via Viramgam, then Madura, Delhi and Sonipat. That is another one pipeline, and it has branches to connect the Koili, inner Vadodara in Gujarat, and Kachu and other places. We can see that one is from Mumbai High and the Mumbai Basin. We are from the this pipelines. It is starting, and it is starting from Gujarat, and it is taking that oil from Mumbai High, and it is taking to up to Punjab. Means that also another one industrial belt. Then gas pipeline from the Hasaria in Gujarat connects Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh via Vijayapur in Madhya Pradesh. It has branches to Kota in Rajasthan and Shahjahanpur and Babarla and other places in UP. Because wherever we are making these pipelines, it is very much thickly dense as well as population means industrial area also. We can see these 3 pipelines in the map. So we are going back to the map part of the lesson. Then we can see the things. Okay, pipelines map. This is a railway map. Okay, pipeline map not given. Okay, I will send it separately. Pipeline map. It is not that much needed, but we need it for where it is starting, ending, like that question used to ask. Okay, that I will send it separately. Okay, read the lesson. Only 2 topics taken, railway as well as pipeline. Please read carefully, and many questions used to ask, 1-word question or 3-mark question, 5-mark question used to ask in this part. Thank you. Have a nice day.